Hi guys! Today ay magta-transplant tayo ng Grand Rapids lettuce. And then, magwo-walk around tayo doon sa backyard garden. So, let's do it! Yan po yung gagamitin natin. And, let's go ahead and do it. Let's do it, guys. So, ganito lang po yung gagawin natin, no? All we gotta do is gently pull them out. Just gently pull them out from the soil. And then isa-isahin natin silang itanim. So as you can see, we can plant this now. I don't normally transplant lettuce, guys, but as I mentioned before, tinanim ko yung mga lettuce na ganito sa isang nursery pot para makasave ako ng space. So that was the reason why. Now, medyo malalaki na yung mga lettuce natin, so i-transplant na natin sila so they can have their own space to grow. So ganyan lang po mag-transplant, ano. Sobrang easy lang talaga. And then ayan. Sobrang easy. Now we gonna speed it up. So separate natin sila. Ang mga ito is, like I said earlier, is Grand Rapids lettuce. So, I guess, hintayin lang natin sila na laki ng konti, and then we can transplant them sa garden bed. And then, some of these, pamimigay natin. Some of it, not all, but some of it. So, ayun pa guys. I still have so much to transplant. Ayan, sobrang dami. And all of that, I have to transplant sa kanilang mga nursery pots. Mga mga cool season na mga vegetables. So, tingnan lang natin, i-check lang natin kung ano yung mga nandito. So, We still have iceberg lettuce. Na I'm trying to allow them to grow bigger, and then after they grow bigger, I'm gonna separate them sa individual na nursery pots nila. And this one is Grand Rapid lettuce. Alam nyo guys, napakadami kong tinanim dito na seeds dito. But namatay sila lahat kasi na-overwater ko. So ganyan ako. I usually kill plants kasi na-overwater ko sila. And then over here we have cabbage over here. And then what is this one? Cabbage, more cabbage. Ang dami kong cabbage guys, as in. So pamimigay natin lahat ito. Cabbage, and then we have more lettuce. And then ano pa ba itong isang ito? Oh, cabbage. We have more cabbage. Sobrang dami ng cabbage guys. So this one, and this one, mga arugula sila. And then look at all of my seedlings guys. Look at all of that. Ang dami. Ayan. Medyo malamig-lamig today, mga 55 degree Fahrenheit. So I think my plants are gonna be fine. As long as hindi mo bumaba ng below 32 degree Fahrenheit. Kasi yun nga, 32 degree Fahrenheit is a freezing temperature na yan. So, mamamatay sila kung bababa ng freezing temperature. Pero kapag above freezing temperature naman ay okay lang. So, medyo nagsasuffer ng konti ang aking mga echinacea plants, seedlings. Echinacea yan siya. Or echinacea or cone flowers. Yan, kasi na-overwater ko siya the other day. Kaya ayan, ganun ako guys, grabe. Lagi ko na-overwater yung mga seedlings ko, kaya laging namamatay. And then I have more over there. Oh, ang dami-dami guys. As in sobra. And then ito yung yung Earth Angel ko na rose. So tinransfer ko na dito. I think 3 days ago tinransfer ko na dito. See? Earth Angel. So naka-prune na yan sila lahat. Na-prune ko na. And then that one is also Earth Angel. So I think I don't know if they are, I don't know if climbing rose sila, I have to make a research. Baka hindi sila climbing rose. I have to make a research on this plant specifically. So, ayan, dalawa sila dyan. And then, if ever na climbing plant sila dyan, meron namang trellis dyan. So, mag-climb na lang sila sa trellis, So, like I said, it's been raining in the last 3 days. I think today ang pinaka-last day na uulan guys. So tomorrow is gonna be sunny. Kaya pwede na akong mag-trabaho ulit dito sa garden tomorrow. Kasi nowadays, naka part-time job lang ako ngayon. So I get to spend a lot more time dito sa garden nowadays. And look guys, dito ko naman tinanim yung mga garlic ko, the other day. So, kasi nga alam ko na uulan for 3 days. Tsaka nagdilig na ako dyan. Ang ginawa ko, tinabunan ko na siya. Plastic ito, guys. This is plastic. So, tinabunan ko siya ng plastic para hindi masisira yung garlic ko, Kasi, sayang naman yung effort natin. Masisira lang yung garlic, diba? So, ayan. As I said, umuulan ngayon. Hindi naman malakas, but it's raining, but it's not that bad. Look at this beautiful rose. Sobrang ganda. You see? What a beautiful rose. Ang gandang tingnan, tumutulo-tulo yung ulan. So, I just wanna spend some time dito sa garden. And may hinog na pala tayo na strawberry dyan, guys. Ayan. Hinog na yan siya. So, we're gonna take it para sa mga ibon, para sa mga parrots. And kahapon, kahit na umuulan ng konti kahapon, hindi naman malakas. Nag-pruning ako dito, guys. So, kita mo, na-prune ko siya kahapon. Kasi yung mga, ko talaga, yung mga pepper plants ko, buhay na buhay sila, guys. Hindi sila namatay, so I'm not gonna get rid of them. Yung iba lang, na-get rid ko na, pero yung iba andito pa rin. Hindi, kumbaga pa hindi ko sila na pull out ba. So ito na yung mga talong, na-prune ko na rin yung mga talong yesterday. Kaya ayan, maliliit sila. But they all gonna grow back, guys. So I'm not worried sa mga talong. Ayan, they gonna grow back. They gonna be fine. So, let's just be patient with them. Ayan, hindi pa rin ako nakapagtrabaho dyan, guys. Kasi umulan nga, diba? Umulan ng... Kasi nagtrabaho ako dito nung Wednesday. Wednesday ba yun? Or Thursday? I think nagtrabaho ako dito nung Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday, yes. Wednesday. And then Thursday, nagpahinga ako kasi sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. And then Friday umulan, Saturday umulan, and then today is Sunday, umuulan pa rin. Tomorrow is gonna be sunny, so I'm gonna be here working tomorrow. So, diba? Ayan oh. Ito yung mga giant strawberries, guys. As in, sobrang laki talaga ng mga strawberry nito. Kasi ito yung mga strawberry na talagang binili ko sa store na malalaki talaga sila. Yung bunga ha, yung binili ko. Kasi kakainin namin. So, sobrang laki niya. Kaya yung ginawa ko, sinave ko yung seeds niya. And then, tinanim ko yung mga seeds. Kaya ito na sila. Tatlo. Itong tatlo na to parehas silang variety. Parehas silang variety ng what you call that, strawberry. Including this one, parehang variety. Sobrang lalaki nito, guys. Kaya pag ano, ayan o, namumunga na nga siya yun. Diba yung mga ibon, pati si Dailin. And here, look, remember, I've been harvesting from this lettuce. Look at that, so beautiful. Napakaganda, guys. So I've been harvesting from this plant and this plant too. So I've been harvesting. Pero ayan, dami pa rin dahon. And then syempre, maraming maliliit na lettuce kasi katatanim lang natin. And then more lettuce over here. And then more lettuce over here. O diba, guys? More lettuce. And then, ayan, may mga maliliit pa din dyan ng mga lettuce. So, natatabunan nila yung mga maliliit, but they're gonna be fine. So, ayan, guys. That's my backyard on a rainy day. Oh, actually, let's go check this out over here. So, nag-pruning na rin ako dito kasi I have to do a lot of organizing dito tomorrow, ano? I'm gonna get all of these ready. The grow bags, the planters. I'm gonna get them ready para sa ililipat ko na dito yung mga iba kong mga seedlings, ano? Kasi talagang parating na yung springtime. So yan, empty. So I need to plant it. And then this one is empty too. Yung grow bag ang tawag dyan. So also yesterday, nag-pruning na rin ako dito. Ito yung mga old, what you call this? Old pepper plants ko, yung mga bell pepper ba? Yan. Yan, mga bell pepper ko yan. So, buhay na buhay pa rin sila. And this is my jalapeno. Ayan, may jalapeno plant. So, ipoprune ko na rin ito para mag-grow siya ng bagong mga stems and dahon. And then this is also my jalapeno. 2 years old na tong jalapeno na to, guys. It's a hybrid actually. Hybrid ito siya. And 2 years old na to, guys. So I have maybe 6 or 8 na pepper plants dito. Na 2 years old na sila. 2 years old na sila this year. So like I said, mga 8 lang siguro. 6 to 8 plants. 2 years old na. Pero most of my pepper plants I planted last year lang. I grew from seeds too. So ito pa, ayan, nag-pruning ako dito kahapon, guys. So talagang nilinis ko na sila kasi kailangan ko na i-prepare ang mga ito for springtime. Look at this, guys. This is, I forgot what this is called. It's a lilac, guys. This is a really beautiful lilac. I think this is called double blue lilac. Ang variety niya is double blue. So, ang hirap hanapin ito, guys. Talagang hinanting ko talaga itong halaman na to. I bought it online, by the way. So, that's double blue lilac. Ang laki-laki na niya, oh. And then, my other potted plants. Nag-organize ako dito kahapon, pero hindi pa talaga ako tapos. Merong echinacea dito na nakatanim in the center. Coneflower. Pero natutulog yan ngayon. And I have more stuff over here. Ito, laging natutumba. Ayan, natutumba sa hangin. Mga hosta naman yung nakatanim dyan. All of it. Hosta. And then, elderberry. So, elderberry. Ayan. And then, my other potted plants, as you can see. And then, i-check din natin yung mga seedlings ko dito sa loob ng bahay, ano? Sa grow light or sa seed growing area ko. So, as you can see, yung mga coneflowers ay tumubo na. Not all of it. Konti lang so far. Nandito tumubo na rin. Marami akong seeds na nilagay dyan, guys. But as you can see, yung iba, tumutubo pa lang talaga. So, yung iba, ayun na sila, malalaki na. Ayan. And then, meron akong celery dyan. Pamimigay natin yan because I don't need any more celeries. And then, we have Rudbeckia. Maliliit pa rin. And then, we have bee balm back there. So, pinapalaki ko na lang yung bee balm, ano, para matransplant ko na rin sila. Bee balm. And then, more celery. Like I said, we're gonna give away all of these celeries. And then, yung eggplant hindi pa tumubo. And then, meron akong katatanim lang na tomato dito. Just a few days ago. And then, yan, meron doon. Ayan, di pa tumutubo talaga yung iba. And then, yung iba katatanim ko lang. Ayan. And then, meron dito sa ibaba, as you can see. So, ito na lang yung natira kasi lahat-lahat, most of it ay nilabas ko na. And then, meron dito. Ito naman mga ampalaya lahat yan. So, walang label kasi ampalaya lahat yan. And I already know. And then, ito na yung tinanim ko na thyme. Malaki na siya. So, anytime na I need thyme, dito ako kukuha. So, yeah. That's all. That's all ang natira dito sa loob ng bahay. Everything else ay nasa labas na. Kasi wala na kaming malalamig na temperatures dito eh. And anyway, ito yung mga seeds na itatanim ko pa. And then, I have more seeds over there. And then, I have more seeds over here, guys. All of these, I have to plant. This one, big container. I have to plant it. And then, pamimigay ko, guys, because I don't need them. Pamimigay natin yan kasi anyway, I'm leaving. So, we're gonna give those away. So, ayan lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Babu!